How to add NOTCOIN in Telegram wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add NOTCOIN in Telegram wallet. To add NOTCOIN to your Telegram wallet, first of all you will need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here from this page, you need to tap on search icon in the top right corner. Once you tap on the search icon, now in the search bar you need to type NOTCOIN and search for it. Here you will find the official NOTCOIN bot. You need to tap on it to open it. And in this page you need to tap on start. After that, at the left bottom you will find open app option. Tap on this open app button and this will open up NOTCOIN. Here you will find Connect Wallet option at the top. Tap on this Connect Wallet option and at the bottom you will find this Open Wallet in Telegram button. You'll also get the options of adding other wallets, but here since we are going to open it in Telegram wallet, so you need to tap on this Open Wallet in Telegram. Once you tap on this button, at the bottom you will find this option. Tap on this Start Exploring Tone in order to connect the wallets. You will also get the option to back up, whether manually or via email. You can choose one of these options. If you choose email, you need to enter the email address in this box. Then tap on this Continue button. Now verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code, and once you get that code, you need to enter it in this box. And once you have entered this code, it will verify the code. After that, you need to tap on this View Tone Space button. Now once doing that, you will get the option of Connect Wallet at the bottom. Tap on this Connect Wallet. Now after connecting the wallet, you can again tap on this Open App button at the left bottom, and from here you can see your connected Telegram wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to add NOTCOIN in Telegram wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.